Hello everybody and welcome to Doodle Days!
This week we're going to be drawing games and game pieces, and today we are going to be doing dice. We're going to be doing something kind of special this week. We're going to be using colored chalk and a chalkboard. So you can get chalk at any store, and if you don't have a chalkboard, you can use black construction paper too, and that works just as well. All right, well, let's get started. All right, so with the chalkboard, we're actually going to start with the white chalk as our outline. Or maybe if I can open it.
My chalk already broke in the box.
Oh, this is all very, very sad.
Yeah.
Look, long-lasting sticks. Less breakage. Okay, finally. Long-lasting sticks. Less breakage. Okay, so first off, kind of test out your chalk if it's brand new. You might have to work it a little bit.
I think mine works.
Yes, yours is good. Your chalkboard's much better than mine, so I'm just going to really work this a little bit. Soften it up a little bit.
Oh, less breakage.
That's embarrassing. Okay. Erase. Now, for dice, we're going to do two different angles of the dice. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with a square. Okay, blow that dust away. Okay, and then we are going to do a cube. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little angle line there, a little longer, an angle line from this corner, and an angle line from this corner. And then we're going to connect the dots, la 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 la, just like that.
Pretty sure half of society doesn't know what that's from.
That's okay.
It's unfortunate.
I know. Kids, if you've never seen Pee Wee Herman, now's a good time to go watch some. All right, so there we have the basics of our die. Now we can give it some dots. Now, here is a little information, a little tip about dice. If you look on one side, no matter what number that is, let's say this is a 4. We're going to do 4 dots in the corners. The opposite side is going to add up to 7. So let's do some math. Okay, so if this is 4 and the opposite sides add up to 7, that means the back side of this is going to be a 3. Which also means that this side can't be a 3 and this side can't be a 3. So let's pick another number. What do you think?
5.
5. All right, so in here we're going to do a 5. Now we're going to put a dot in that corner, a dot in that corner, dot in this corner, a dot in this corner, and a dot in the middle. That's 5. Now, if the opposite adds up to 7, we have 5 plus what equals 7?
2.
2. So we know that this guy can't be a 2. So what's left?
Either 6 or 1.
Okay, let's do a 1. Okay, now we have a believable dice. Now, this time, we're going to do an angle, angle, and then we're going to do 2 straight lines down, and then we're going to connect these dots. Okay, then we're going to do a line that way, angled line that way, angle line that way, and then we're going to connect these dots. Mine's a little rectangular. Oh well. Okay, so let's say we do the opposite of all these. So let's do 3 on this side. And 3 is going to be a dot in the corner, a dot in the middle, a dot in the corner. And then 2 on this side is going to be a dot in one corner and a dot in the other corner. Okay, and then a 6. We're going to do 3 dots on one side, 3 dots on the other. And there you have a dice. Now you notice these dice are actually in opposite. Normally, if we were drawing on a piece of paper, we would have drawn black lines on white paper. But we did the negative. We did white lines on black paper. And there you go. Dice. Dice.